we are now going to be starting to trade some binary option live once again. So, if for some reason you see this as a recording, below the video you will find a sign up form. It's basically alpha1signals.com. Make sure you sign up there so you can be a part of this live session in the future. We trade every Monday till Friday live. So, below the video, okay? Now, I will just log in and we will get started. Let's see if we can find some good pairs to be trading today. Let's see. Okay, we are not trading any OTC, 88, we remove all the 60%. Okay, we are quite decent amount already, but let's see if we can find something else. My target is always to fill up this as much as possible, because that means we are getting more trades. Let's see. Okay, starting to be good already. My limit is 70%, just so you know. We don't choose anything below that. We would manage to trade 60 also, but why trade 60 when you have so many that is above? So 70 I have put as a floor. And there we are now ready. Let's start with euro against Japanese yen and let's work ourselves upwards. Already I would say I see an interest area. I would say probably from there up to there. Yes, we have two that's close a little above it, but for now this is my interest area. I think we can move it up to there, so we just have one. Let's change a bit down to 100. So if we can get an entry up there, I will take it. For now we're a little far away, but this is where I would like to be. Now let me just see that everything is in order before I continue on. Yes, we are live and all works good. Cool. Okay, let's get back. So yeah, I think we just move on. We are a little far away from our trade here now, so we're looking for more. Okay. This area here actually looks quite interesting. Let me mark. Okay, it was interesting till it was not. No, it's actually here. It's actually here. But let's wait now. Let me see. Is he just breaking directly into? I would not think so, but I think I enter between there and here to see. See, I would be interested to take a trade there if you get that down there again. That is, I think the support stuff on here, so I think you need quite a bigger push to get down here again. Oh, well, let's see. We might get one trade here now. I'm in. Oh yeah, I got a bad entry. I got entry up here. No, that was not the best entry. But let's see. I'm not going to take more trades. This one we might lose a bad entry. Not because of the place we wanted to take the trade, but we got a bad entry. I did push and it basically shoot up a little right away when I did push. So if you got the entry where you wanted, I would say guarantee win, almost. No, it's never a guarantee, but almost a guarantee. But let's see if we can get a win here now. That would be a good start. As Let's see now here now. Two looks like we are deep. Cool. That was good. We are deep in the money actually. So good start. And let's see if we can get some better entries from now on. But yeah, the entry down here is good, but I will zoom in now. Now I'll be trying to get us a little better entry. I think I'll draw this a little more down like this. Entry between these lines, that would be nice. Last entry we had around here. You can clearly see that was a good entry, but was around this region here. Now we need to be in between these blue lines to ensure a better trade. But let's see now. We are ready. If we come down there again, we are now aware that he might shoot up. You see, he moves very fast, and it's not rare. The thing is, when you are close to support or resistance, because you are following the forex market, and if it's a big one, every time he comes close to it, it's moving super fast, because there are many buyer and sellers shooting in their money, and that make him move super fast in either direction. So that's why you also sometimes we see him jump a little. It's because as we are trading inside a brochure, it don't even manage to follow up because it's moving too fast, you know. So it's nothing wrong when that happens. It's just that it's so much buyer and seller traffic because there's so much money involved. Now we are a little far away, so I think we will move on. At least we got ourselves a nice win from the start today. Let's reset. When you see something like this, you see, when we don't see, it's like going down, up, you don't see it clearly, just right click, or you can just hold the key, Alt and R. Alt and R. Then you get, you see, suddenly you got all in one screen. Much nicer, right? Here I don't see anything. Only place I would be thinking about a trade right now would be maybe around here. When it comes down here, probably he will get a refusement, but other than that, I don't see a super nice region. Maybe can be around here also, but this is for the future to see. Right now, it's nothing to trade on this one. Now let's see here. Do you know what? This region here start to look pretty nice. I always look to the left so I get the most accurate areas to enter. Now the issue here is, let's zoom in. You see, you have this one and this one. They did, actually it's just one that go far down. So I think judging, you see here also, you see, okay, here he broke, but then you see this was up and down. Up. It's not a beautiful area, but I think it's good enough for us. I will take a trade here. I think if I'm going to just guess a number, I think it's maybe a 65% win right here. So it's not within our preferred like 75-ish area. I think, judging from what I see here, as he broke, this is breaking a little statistic, but I think we can win here. And you see we had the trend go downwards, was broken, we're going into a sideways market. We love sideways market. So just because we are in a sideways market, I will take a trade on there. Let's see, I'm ready. Let's see. Zoom in some more. I've seen when I zoom in, I have a tendency to get a little better entries. Let's see. I would love to get an entry in the middle, to see. That would make me quite secure. But just to get a trade in between the lines, I think that will be efficient for us. Let's see now. I did not go in there. Let's see. I'm in there, and I think we got a pretty darn good entry there. We move on, of course, as always. Oh, we can bring up this. Now let's see. We have broken above this support there. We are testing it again. Let's see. Feel a little too low for it. Oh, we want it. Let's take a look how this looks like. It's a little too holding too much. I don't like when you do this. I do not right now. I don't want to trade more just because he's not moving. I hate when he's do like this because I have a feeling he will break down then now. So we don't go in more. Let's stay away from this one. Yeah, see, I knew it. When he's holding like this, I see it's a bad sign. Because I like when he go down and shoot up again. So we rather get bad entries, you know. But when you hold like this, that means there are so much seller pressure and buyers are not covering the seller pressure and we break down. So but this one, at least we want this one. But when you see it's holding too much, be aware because that means they're coming in more and more sellers. Buyers don't manage to fill up to fight against it. They're just holding it to a place like this, and that means the pressure will come down. So no, you see now here, we could have won here if you got in, but no, we are not trading more here. Let's move on. But hey, we have 2 wins. Can't complain about that. So that means we are up in 166, and also we are collecting some cash back up here. As you can see, we are on a VIP level. Of course, we have a big balance, so that is pretty nice. You can see I already got like $5,227, so pretty good amount. Now, what can we see on Euro against New Zealand? Let me see this area down there. Was broken one time here. Broken. I see that he's too often broken quite lowly, like here. I don't see it as a strong one, so I think we skip that one. Here is the lowest pay one. Now let's see. We have a beautiful area down there. I will mark it at least. Let's see. I would say our entry. Let's see. If you can get an entry in between these 2 lines there, it's pretty decent. You see that from the past here. Always, like I said before, take a look to the left and you get clues and take decisions from there. Like I like the top also. If I want to trade in the top, I will base my trading from the top spikes. It's a big area, but hey, I will take a trade up there also. So we have somehow a trading zone, but we see most of the time he's keeping in between. Highest probability is a trade in the bottom here. But let's not wait too long. Can wait a little. Oh, when you jump like this, I'm not taking a trade, by the way. I'm not taking a trade. When I see a bar like this and it jump up here, no, I'm not taking a trade. This one he need to close down here first, because when the bar open up here, that for me is that he will continue upwards. So now this bar here, he need to close up below at least, I would say this area. I'm holding mouse now. You see this line I have there? We need him to close below there before I even consider taking any trades here. So let's wait. Otherwise, I will believe that he will go upwards. So let's wait and see. Now it's just a waiting game. Okay, he did that now, so I think we can now switch jumping, but it's okay. We will take a trade up here now. my entry level will be more or less in the middle, I hope. Let's see. That's what I will go for. I will not just push the button here now. I'm going for the middle. I can show you. I would like to have an entry more or less there. Let's make it a white line. I would say the white line is my entry. They are good if you get an entry between, but I will try to push the button on the white line. Let's see. Down here, I will take any entry. But up here now, I think I would like it on the white line. So let's see. It's a little confusing for you, but the blue lines is good entries, but it's not always good. It's good enough for me. I want the entry down the bar to come up to this white line for me to push the button. Then also is a probability that I can get a good entry. So let's see. We have Bader started good. 2 trades, 2 wins. Can't complain with that. Good start. I like good starts. Now let's see. And if there are any questions in the academy, I know we are quite a lot of people there. And if we don't have so many YouTube, but if there are questions, just write a question. I will check in once in a while. I don't keep a chat open, but yeah, if there are any questions, let me know. I will be happy to. And also one thing I like, when you're taking any of my trades, that can be you on, I see it's just one person on YouTube right now. You, for example, when you're taking any of my trades, just write it in the chat. I like to get a little feedback if you're winning the trades. As you see, we have taken 2 trades. Would be nice to know if you did win these 2 trades, because this feedback for me is important. Because let's say you lost both of them, I don't think you would do that, because at least one of them, from my memory at least, was Italy Money. I think both was, but let me know. This is something that helps me to give better signals. So just give me a feedback. If you are not this type that like to write the things, that's completely fine. But just do like this. Put the winners at the left and losers to the right, okay? So for example, if you're taking 1 trade, then you can write 1 line 0. That means 1 win, 0 losses. 2 line 0. You got it, right? So that is something that helps me to give you better signals. The same, of course, the people in Academy, you all know. Just write down like this, so I get a clue about if my signals are good, if you're catching it the same way I do. It's something, because for me it's actually even more important that if, I'll say like this, if I take 5 signals in a day, I rather want to go in 0 myself if I know you guys are making money. Okay, because this is just a service I do. I love to trade, and for me to just let other people follow me. Of course, you are all grown-up people, so you take your own decisions. You're not supposed. You can't complain after if you're losing on the day I'm losing, because I'm doing this for free. Just showing my trades. You just are along the way. Of course, you've done quite good. Over 2 years, you built from $100 to this 82,000. It's quite crazy, but you can't say that past success will give future results, right? So we never know. Maybe I will the next few months lose everything. Who knows? Of course, that is not going to happen, but yeah, I will never promise anyone that they're going to make money together with me, but it's the same like I'm doing here. I always look to the left, and the same, we look to the past. So enough with that. I just will be nice at least if you all just give me some information about your trades. That is things that help me to give better signals in the future. Now let's see. What can we see here? Problem here, we can see that we are going the many different levels of the support level. Now it's more centralized here, but still I don't like it too much because it's not moving too much up. So this one I think I want to stay away from. In the top, as you see, we don't have one specific area here either. It's all up here to down to here. I don't like it, so we will skip this one for now. Now let's see here. Here also, it's not if it was not for this one here. Actually, no, it looks like here that this one is respecting now from the downside. You see, so it looks like now he have broken this support and he's now trying to break it the other way. So plus we can see we have some type of trend going downwards. So no, we're not trading this one. Here we are very low, and we see it go lower than this one here, and with that we can't trade this one either. So let's see, what more do we have? Okay, here we might have something. Let me see. Around there. I would say it's pretty darn good. We see it's just broken once. So entry down here in the top. Let's just remove this. We are not trading. I just move it up. Let's move it to an area that maybe can be something. We're not trading here, but it's just so we get it away. So you don't take any trades up there. So I will take a trade on here. Looks pretty good. Okay, this one and this one it's a maybe loss in these two. We will lose there, but we would won on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 wins against 3 losses. That is a good win rate. This is basically how I don't typically count it like this, but here you can see how I choose my support and resistance. You can see that I'm more like I see the losses and I see the wins, and I see, do I have a good enough win rate? Yes, we can go for it. So that means our entry in between these two lines here from the past history say that it's a good one, and that means yes, we take a trade there. That's why I have a so good win rate, is because I am very careful where I take my trades. Because if you are trading, that's why it's very difficult also to make a robot to copy what I'm doing. I've been thinking about it, I have been making in the past, but I've never been successful to make one that trade exactly like me. Because here, for example, you have a support here, right? You have a resistant here, you have a resistant here, you have a resistant here. A robot, he will trade all of them. He will trade here, he will trade here. So this resistance he will trade here. Then if you break it, he will trade the support. He will trade too much, you know, because there are so many support and resistance. So when you do that, I don't know what to say, will be too much trading and we will not get the best ones. Of course, I've been thinking about it, maybe if I trade on the minute, but I have the robot take all the support and resistance on a higher time frame. That is something I've been thinking about. But when you take on a higher time frame, you have one more issue, because every time you go to a higher time frame, the support and resistance are bigger. Okay, so they are in a huger level of area. So for example, on the 1 hour, maybe all of this is maybe even from here. I'll say from here probably. From here to here maybe is the resistance. So he will just take random trades in between here. So it's difficult to make something like this. So till now I have not been able to make a robot that can do our job. So and there are also many people asking me why you don't just give signals to add yourself into the copy trading. No, I'm not going to do that. The reason for that, it's too much responsibility for me if someone take exactly my trades, and also I don't think it's fair. I've been trading for many years. To share my signals, I feel it's a more light way of doing it. You are here, you can because when you're here together with me, you see my plan of a trade. If you don't agree with me, you don't need to take the trade. But if it's a copy thing, basically people will take every single trade I do, and that is not fair. I do not like it because we are all grown-ups here, and if I take a bad decision, you would automatically take it. But if I take a bad decision now, you at least have the option to take it or not. That's why I don't like automatically copying. Okay. Now let me see. Okay. Looks like in the academy now I'm getting some response. You all are, seems like everyone but one got one, have one win, one loser, and it looks like the other ones have two winners like me, so that is nice. You in YouTube have not replied yet. It's completely fine, you're not required to, but I would appreciate if you also could just let me know if you're taking trades. Like I said, you don't need to write it, just put the numbers. Help me tremendously if you could do so. Or if you have not taken any trades at all, just write a big 0. Okay, let's continue. This is taking a little while. As you can see, he have not been in between the lines for pretty long time, so let's just move on for now and let's see if you come back later. Okay, now, do we like the area down here? Yeah, pretty much. I think we can easily drop a line there. Let's see, something in between there and probably down to there. Let's zoom in a little more. I think I want to take the entry a little better there. This one closed a little low, but at least we are getting but we're a little far away right now. This might be for later. Let's keep it like this. Let's move on. When you mark like this, it's easier for us when we come back to it. Okay, he broke below now. We can see then that this area can be between there and here. Let's see. He closed a little high here now, so we can't take a trade. We are just waiting, by the way. I want to see that this spot, what he will do when he comes there. We are just marking our opportunity. We see here, we see here. I want to see if he stops here now. And I would like him to, I want him to close below the line. Let's see. I think, for now I don't want to trade this one. I see it's not that, let me see here. It's not a so clear area. I think we wait for now. But yeah, no. Okay, I know I'm a little too cautious, but that's why we have a good win rate also. Okay, let's continue. I think up here, looking to the left. Let's mark it. Sometimes we need to mark before we can see clearly. He's now up in the area we're thinking. I want to see what he's doing first. We are not trading on this bar. We will trade on the next. Let me see. I would like him to close below this blue line. Let's see now what he's doing first. If this really is a trading zone we can trade. And like I said, I would like this bar to close down here. And no, he did not do that. Then let's see up here. Then we need to see the next opportunity. Something like up there. We need always to have a test to see how he's reacting in new zones. For now, I don't like it that much. Let's move on. Boom, 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 boom. No. Problem. You see any place when I see it's not. You see that it's it's not a clear area where we have a good enough win rate. Because I'm looking win rates. I look very fast and see winners against losers. And euro against dollar, we are not trading more. He's even touching our line here now. 16%, should I take it? Do you know what? I'll take it if you go up there. It's below what I typically trade, but come on. We have a trade here now. Maybe. If we get up to the white line again, I'll take it. Now, wait a little. He did a little what I don't like. He's holding too much. Not moving. That's a bad sign. Now let's stay away from it. We never got a trade, by the way, but now let's stay away. Let's stay away. Okay. Now, up here is pretty nice. Let's see, from there to about there. Let's zoom in. Yeah, this looks nice. Let's draw this line to there. In between here, any place, by the way, I'll take a trade. We are ready. Do we have anything in the bottom? Let's see. Oh, I'll only trade up here. Let's see. We are ready. Almost. Let's zoom in more. I will take a trade right away. He crossed the line. Let's see if we can get him up there again, that is. So, just 2 trades till now. How often I stream? I stream basically every Monday till Friday. So, quite often we can say. So every single day that we can trade normal pairs. I do not trade Saturday and Sunday, just because I could have traded on OTC also. We could have traded with like $10 or something, and we would still do quite good. But no, I need some free time also, so I do not trade Saturday and Sunday. and we do trade 1 hour a day, so I think that is more than enough. Oh, I mean, there we got a quite good entry there now. I'll move on like always. Let's bring up the trade. Let's win this trade. Keep the good win rate. We like that. Now let's see. Um, we just might have something here. I'm looking at least on it. We mark it and let's see how it looks like. Entry here could be there, between there and here. Wouldn't that be nice? I think so. Let's see. Let's zoom in. I'm not in yet. I would like to see if we can get a little better entry. Okay, maybe I was stupid there now, but let's see. We won this one here. Let's go back and see if we can get more trading opportunities. How it looks like. Was beautiful. We are deep in the money. Everyone that take this trade here, they won it. I like to see that. So another $77. So now we have 3 trades, 3 winners. We are making money today. 243. I rather want to wait here. Let's zoom in. We are deep in the money. Like I said, I like when I see that, because then I know everyone did take the trade like I did. You won it. Now let's see if we can get in more trades. Okay. I think our entry level for me now should be. I'll make a line so you can see where I'm planning to take entry. Where we were the last time. Let's make a white line there. If I can get up to the white line, I'll take it. Let's do like this. Let's see. White line is our attack area. Of course, it's a nice entry here, but hey, I want it there. Let's see. If you did take a trade here now, you're deep in the money. Me personally, I would like to have it on the white line. Come on now. But yeah, 3-0 till now. That is pretty nice. I would love to get in 2-3 more trades and have them all winners. Then we are reaching. I always are happy when I have more than $500 in a live session. Let's see. How much time we have left, by the way? Yeah, we have much time left. Oh, I'm in there. Got a beautiful entry in top there. Sweet. That was amazing good entry. Says I'm not in the money. What's going on? I did push up here. Maybe I got a bad entry. I probably got a bad entry. I was so confident that I got a good entry up there, but looks like I got a bad one. No, I don't need to. Oh, come on now, give me a win. We won it. I deserved that. I did push when I was here, but probably I got an entry down around here. So now I'm taking a little break to get this over with it. But yeah, I did push up here. I thought I got the entry up here, but I think I even got the entry down there. So I deserved a win here. But yeah, everyone that did take a trade like me here, they won. But yeah, this was scary. That's a scary one. But by the way, another win. I'll take it. No, I will take the one more trade here now. There I got the entry above the white line, I think. Let's move on. When it happens something like this, I don't bother reload, I just move on. I can just open like this again and he probably will look nice again. Yes. Okay, we're out of the money here now. Will this be the first loss of the day? No. Let's see. I will follow the last 5 seconds. Let's see. For now, we are in and out of the money. I don't like that. I don't see nothing here. So let's move on. I would love to be deep in the money again. Let's see. Now we'll follow. 5 seconds left. Deep in the money. We won it. Hey. Another win. So we are doing good. We are doing good. That's. I'm not trading while I'm calculating. So also I want to see what's going on here now. So right now I'm not taking more trades. I'm waiting a little. Let's take plus 77. Yeah, we have more than 400. Let's collect this $20 cashback up here. Let's push the button. So we are getting that also. Then I put that in my calculation, and we have $417 in profit. Very nice. We are waiting now because this one closed high, this one closed higher. We need this basically. I want this bar here now to close down around down here. Let's wait and see if we can get that before we continue. Let's see. While we wait for that, I will just turn on the coffee machine. I need some more coffee. We are doing so beautiful, by the way. We need basically the bars to close down here, and we can trade up here again. Okay? Just bear with me. 1 minute. One minute. Beautiful. We got what we wanted. Now we can trade up here again. Let's zoom in. Like before, I prefer a trade on the white line. Now let me see. You in YouTube are not updating me yet. It's completely fine. You don't need to, but I would prefer if you did. Now let's check the academy. Yeah. See, the one that had 1-1 have now 2-1, and the rest got it. So it's a 3-0. Very good. Beautiful. Then we are doing quite nicely here. Let's continue. We are starting to be a little far away from the trade here now. We have till now 4 trades and 4 winners. I said the 3-0. Hey, then I did see wrong. Looks like not everyone did take a trade then. 3-0 I see here now. Ah, there we have 4-0. Okay. So not everyone did take the last trade. Okay, understand. Let's move on. Euro against CAD. Canadian dollar. I don't see a beautiful area here, so we skip that one. Euro against British pound. Let's see. Okay, this area is nice. We see all winners here, 1 loss, and winners again. These have a very high probability of trade, of winning. So any entry above the blue line here, I'll take it. Let me get my coffee now. I think it's done. Just wait. He's pushing. No, we can get it. Cool. Right. Then we can enjoy our coffee and see. Okay, we do see a trend. Let's mark it. always when you can draw a trend line, because later on we might come to a squeeze. Squeeze is when you get pressure from the resistant, from the trend line up. But for now, I feel we have much space. I easily take a trade. I think for the next couple of minutes, we can easily take a trade here. But when it starts to come over here, the squeeze will be too hard, and he will need to choose if you want to break to the downside or break to the upside. Okay. So we are not trading when they come over here. I would think to around here, we might be good. Much space. Yeah, let's see. Okay. But yeah, I would love to venture up here now, but we do have problem. You can see what I talked about. If you have a robot, he probably will take a trade down here. There's a small resistance here, and a robot will not think about the trend line. He will just trade. That's why a robot is not possible to trade the way we trade, because artificial intelligence in the future, if we give enough information, would be able with some machine learning thingy, but we are not there yet. They are too slow also today. So let's see. But yeah, we might get something very soon. Personally, I'm not too eager, because if it's a bit too wildly, the problem is if it gets too wildly normal to have a artificial intelligence trading for you, then we'll end up that everyone starts to take the same trades, and the support and resistance will not be. Everyone need to trade different then will basically be the dumb money that will win the trades. So you need to distance yourself from other trading styles. See, it's a beautiful line here now, but as we see this trend line, we can't. I would have considered now to take a trade here, but you see the trend line, there'll be a squeeze here very soon. That means when the squeeze comes, you probably will shoot past this one also, so I will skip this one for now. The bottom there. I will not consider here, but I will consider the bottom. Let's see. From there to here, let's zoom out. Not too much information. No, I don't think I will do it. I don't have too much information, so I will not do it. I like to have, when I look to the left, I like to have some more information, if it's good or not. Okay, this looks nice. Let's see, I'll mark it from there to maybe there. Let's see. At least we are very close to trade here now. I will push. If we cross the blue line, I'll take it. Let's see. Come on now. Give me a trade. Give me a trade. Do we see a trend? No, it's broken. So it's outside. It's a sideways market. If we can just break this line again, I'll take the trade. If I can just get an entry that I see is above. Ah, there we are. I'm in. And I got an entry below. Ah, cashato. That was a bad entry. I'll take one more. Did I get? Yeah, I think I got one more entry. Then let's wait and see how this has two different time zones. So let's see. It looks like we're losing the first. That would, by the way, be the first loss of the day. And we got a winner. Ha, ha. Do you know what? This we deserve it. Yesterday we got so many losers in the last second. Now I got a winner in last second, and for the ones that follow me, they know I deserve that. This one I deserve it. I really deserve it this win. It's too many times I lose the last second. To win the last second, that's something that I deserve. So a $78 profit there, I take it. Another $78, I take it. We are now 573. I start to be happy. We have 100% win rate till now today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins out of 7. Beautiful. Let's go back to this one and take a look what happened. Looks like the second trade was deep in the money. Yes, I think I will continue up there. Let's continue. We got some luck of the coffee. Let's see. Would be nice if you all could update me if you're lucky like me. You won this one clearly. This one is a chance you lost. But give me some feedback. That is in the academy. I see people have a full win rate like me. And I see that there are 6. Let me see. Can it be right? 6 against 1, I see somehow. Yeah, looks nice. Good win rates. Just keep me updated. I like to see that. We are printing some money today. Like I said, for new people coming in the academy, YouTube, I have a little more control. There I only take people that have made a deposit. But new people coming in, do not expect to get 100% win rate. Yesterday we did even lose a little more than $100. But like I said, our average through a year is that we win between 7 and 8 wins for each 10 trades. So yes, we can have a bad day like yesterday, but overall that is our win rate. So it's just to stick with the strategy. Some days can look like this, some days can look like around 0, some days we are exploding. We get like 3 times more trades like this. I think the best session I had was quite crazy. Was thousands I made in my best live session, to be quite frankly. We got something like this, we got it basically did go a sideways market, and we could just take trade after trade after trade after trade, and we printed money basically. Sometimes we are lucky we find something like that, and sometimes we just today, for example, did go a little slow, but we got some trades in the end, so that is nice. Now looks like he's having a little problem to get up there again. Let's move on. Okay. Do we have some more information up there? We do actually have quite a lot of information up there. This looks to be a nice area. So let's go back. Let's mark. Let's see if we can get an entry like in between there. I'll take it. Let's see if we get up there again. Yeah, entry in between these lines up there. Because we look to the left now, when you zoom out, you can see this area here. You have the same information. Here he did not come as high, but you see he stopped. So it's a nice area. If you think why we don't take from here, I don't like to have a too big area. I'd rather take the better area. So if you come up there again, I'll take it. If not, I don't need it. Now let's see how we are in time. If you're lucky, we can get one more trade. Let's see. Let's see if we can find something. See, this area up here was pretty darn nice. You see? Beautiful. Just this one here that was, we were lucky we did win it. But beautiful area. That's what you're looking for. Always when you take a mark area, look to the left, count your winners, and see that you have the win rate like I'm telling, between 7 and 8 wins for 10 trades. That means it's a good area to trade, you know. So as long as you do that all the time when you're trading, if you want to trade by yourself, always look to the left, find your area, like if this was an area for you, for example, then count. I'll see here now, I will show you. If we say there now, in between there and there, let's not count more what this one is doing. Then you look to the left, you see, okay, here is one loser, 2 winners, 1 loser, now it's 50-50, 2 more wins. Yeah, you can see that it is a winnable area. It's not super good, but it means that yes, you could trade here, for example. But then always, if you can see a trend line, be careful. Do you have enough space? Yes, I'll consider this as good space. You can still trade up here. So this is how you can find yourself areas to trade. Okay. So now let's see. Yeah. We are now done for today. Today we did pretty darn good. I'm satisfied. But by the way, if you see this as a recording, link below the video if you want to join me and trade together with me. As you see, yesterday we lost a little, but today we made it back and made profit on top of that. So money. And you see our balance is now up to 82,670. So we are building money more. So I'll be back again same time tomorrow. I really hope you tune in tomorrow also, and let's make some more money together tomorrow also. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.